back with another video. It's been about 2 months, and as you've seen from the title, we are going to be doing chicken trapping tonight because they got out of our cage. Kennel?
Yeah, somebody left the kennel open.
All got out.
All the chickens got out.
So we are just riding around, checking the area.
Checking the fences.
Yeah, I'll show you. We are. Got Tracker over there doing his business. He's doing stuff. Got Feeder. Got the beautiful woods. If we look very close, we might be able to see some ducks fly very soon. Or not very soon. We got they got some other people's land, and we got our swamp over here. So yeah, it's a really pretty area. And walk over here a little bit. Look. Tracker, say hi. Oh well. But yeah. It's good times. Beautiful. It really is. Amazing, right? Guys, welcome back. We are trying to get flashlights for tonight. And here's our shop. Looks pretty neat. I have a secret right here. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. It's pretty fun. Yeah, I'll go get it out. There's my pet snake. Looks sick right now. Where are the flashlights? There's one. Look, didn't get the fish out.
Oh God, that's Gar.
Oh my God, that's gonna stink. Don't get it. You're gonna die.
Does that one work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we need two?
No.
Alright.
Alright, here we are. Shiver the chicken wrangler. Okay, the chicken dog.
Come here. Oh, look,
There they are.
Look at this little baby. Oh.
They keep pooping on my fish cleaning table. Shiver the chicken wrangler is going to catch them, put them back in the coop.
I don't want to just take them in one by one. I think I'm going to start by trying to get the guinea, because the guinea's going to get the zipper in the hardest. No, I'm getting Daryl first.
Daryl?
Okay,
got Daryl.
We got Daryl.
You got
Daryl is my favorite chicken. He's the leader of the pack. He's a beautiful, majestic creature. But he needs to go into the cage. The cage of sorrow.
Yep, got a rooster back. Alright, who you gonna get next?
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
I think. Wait, no. Never mind. Never mind. Fire
Right.
truck's over there. We're getting Python. I'm just gonna kind of sneak around. Okay, we got her. This is Python. Beautiful. And next we're gonna get. We actually haven't named her yet. Should be a new addition. We'll go. You love me, you're my chicken. This one. Ow! No, I'm thinking her name. That was Python. Three more down. Where to go? Daddy, do you want to kill me yet?
No, go ahead.
Not gonna be easy. I need both hands for the guinea. Ow! Tail feathers, Lily. No.
Oh man, we got a naked guinea running around our farm.
Well, hey, I mean, we're getting what we can. It's not gonna
Yep.
be.
Oh man, we got more up here. I didn't see.
Where?
Right there.
Alright, I'm getting fire trucks leaving.
Got her, man. Oh man, that'll call up a coyote real quick, like right there. We know which one to grab if we want to go coyote hunting.
What?
We know which one to grab if we want to go coyote hunting. Man.
Gosh, dude, they're all corrugated.
Think we can get a hold of them?
You go that way, and I'll fin you.
I'm not going.
You go that way and bring them towards me. Dad's gonna go over there to the best. Look, Barry. Barry. There it goes. You see the other tree? Get him! His old son. Tracker, get it!
Put 'em up.
Get on! You could at least caught it. Fire truck! Oh, well. No! Daddy, go. Sit right there. Do not let him see you. I got him! Grab his leg!
Got him.
Jeez! Y'all didn't get the action, but we got him. Woo, that was tiring. That was tough. Oh my God. Whew. I don't know if you guys can tell. They're sweating.
Show 'em
Hold on.
Show them how we had to get them.
How?
Is the video?
Yeah. Oh, look what they're doing. Poop. Yeah, it's pretty good to go ahead and get them. Daddy, I'm gonna try to herd this one. Hey, yo, son, get back here. Daddy, go. Go. What are you doing? Oh!
Give me the camera.
There's one over there.
You need 2 hands, Shaw. Tracker's going. Tracker is on a scent. Bet it's that stinking guinea.
Subscribe to Kendall Gray. That's a very easy.
Yep.
Please like and subscribe.
Shiver is a KG man.
I'm a KG.
Show them bracelets. You can see how many pocket knives he's got.
2. But,
Yeah, 2 left. Tracker, get him. Get him. Get him. Where's the chicken?
Please subscribe to Smokey Outdoors and like and subscribe.
Dang, Shiver, I think he's on a possum. Where they at, boy? Get him.
Woo, yes, there's about 3 more that we didn't get. We're all tired. My mom had us laying down sod. But you can't really see it. Yeah, all that sod. Yes, it's not that easy. We're just out here having a good time. We didn't get all of them, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.